Welcome. Today we're going to talk about how to log out of Facebook on your PC using the latest update. It's a quick and straightforward process, but it's essential for maintaining your privacy, especially if you're using a shared computer or just want to ensure your account remains secure. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your Facebook account. Make sure you're logged in so that you can access the settings necessary for logging out. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a downward arrow icon. Clicking this arrow will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. Now from that drop-down menu, select Logout. This action will immediately log you out of your Facebook account, ensuring that no one else can access your personal information without your permission. And that's all there is to it. Logging out of Facebook is a simple process, but it's an important step to take if you value your online security. Remember, if you're on a public or shared computer, always log out after you're done to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online accounts.